Hey guys, it's Desi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the November 2020 BOXY charm. And I'm also going to be doing a good giveaway at the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. It's so easy to enter and so easy to win. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's inside my November BOXY charm and my thoughts on the products, then keep watching. Okay, so this is what the box looks like for a BOXY charm. I will give them this. They are expert packagers because usually when I take everything out, I cannot get it back in, which is exactly why my box looks like this right now. So every box has a theme. This theme for this box was Harvest, which is perfect because it is fall. And also, I am looking real crazy. As of right now, the salons where I live are shut down due to COVID, so I just have to live like this. So don't come for me in the comments. I know my nails are busted. So BOXY charm is only $25 a month, but you get full-size products, and it's always over the $25, of course. It's usually, I think, like $125 worth and up. I used to pay for Ipsy, which I believe was $21. Don't quote me on that because it has been a while, but you would just get like little samples of products. So for $4 more, if it is $21, you get 5 full-size products. So the total for my box this month actually came out to $122. So you're literally paying $25 and basically getting $100 worth of products for free. So the first product I'm going to be going over with you guys, and something that I was actually really shocked that was in the box. It is this Natasha Denona Peak palette. This palette sells for $48, except this one is actually a BOXY charm exclusive. So I don't think you can buy this one in stores, but this is what it looks like. The colors are super creamy, super pigmented. This was literally just with one swipe. I have never tried a Natasha Denona palette, but I've heard so many great things about them, and I watched so many tutorials using them. So I'm excited to actually have my first one. I'm like losing my Natasha Denona virginity. So I'm actually gonna be applying this palette to my eyes to show you guys how the colors go on, and if you got this palette also, just to give you a really super quick, simple tutorial. And I'm also going to be using another product in the box, which is these Moda Eye Sculptor Brushes. These ones go for $15. Their packaging is always so cute. I love Moda brushes. They're such good quality. These are some of my favorite eye brushes. So we have this really cool looking triangular one. Personally, I've never seen a brush that looks like this, so that's super new. And then we have just this regular classic fluffy brush. The hairs on their brushes feel so nice. I honestly think these are some of my favorite brushes. Okay, so I went ahead and did this eye off camera. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye for you guys. So I'm just gonna be dipping into this shade right here, which is just like a soft rosy pink kind of color, and I'm just gonna be taking it on this big fluffy Moda brush. So overall first impressions, this palette is amazing. It blends out so easily. The colors go on so pigmented, and they're just so buttery. So I'm just gonna be packing it on to the outer corner of my eye. Just like that. As you can see, that's just with one dip into the palette, and you can see how the color is already on there. So now just in small circular motions, I'm just gonna be blending it out. I'm just bringing it towards the middle. And just like that, it's already blended out so easily. So to deepen it up a little bit more, I'm just gonna be packing it and focusing it onto the outer corner of the eye. So just right here, and just packing it, then just lightly blending it out just around the area. And then now using this triangular brush. Honestly, on the first eye, I wasn't really a fan of this brush. I feel like I just do not know how to use this. I have never seen a brush like this. I wouldn't even know what to use it for. I guess it would be good for packing, but it was just a little bit weird to me. I just have to get used to it. But anyways, using this brush, I'm going to be taking this nude shade right here. It's like a white, kind of creamy nude. I'm just gonna be packing it onto the lid about halfway. And now, just using an eyebrow brush, I'm going to be creating this brown liner using this shade right here. And just like that, the eyes are done. I think this palette, being $48 and coming in a $25 BOXY charm, is so worth it. Literally such a great deal. Whew, y'all, my lighting system has me getting a little hot. So the next product in my box was the Peach and Lily Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. So it's for all skin types, from healthy skin to problem-prone skin. Gentle, sulfate-free cleanser, contains no harmful ingredients and keeps your skin barrier intact, so you can start your routine right with skin that feels deeply cleansed, fresh, and hydrated. So, of course, I'm not going to be testing this out on camera for you guys, but I have been using it for a few days to give you guys my honest review and opinion. I will be honest and say this. I do have very sensitive skin. My face wash has been the same face wash for, I believe, over a year now. I have not changed it or tried another one. And I've literally heard nothing but good things about Peach and Lily. Although, I personally was not a fan. Of course, I have only been using it for maybe a week. And I think my skin needs more than that to fully adjust. It does leave my skin feeling fresh and very clean, except I feel like it's over drying my skin. Of course, where I live, the climate is very dry. I do suffer from dry skin. I do feel it getting better as I continue to use it. I don't get as dry every time, but the first few times I was like, whoa, my skin is so dry. But after applying my moisturizer and serums and stuff, it was all good. So that would be my only thing. Of course, that's more of a personal problem than a product problem. But it does smell very good, very calming. It does give like that calming effect. It smells like chamomile, so just very clean, very calm. It is cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and vegan, so that is all good things. And this right here retails for $28. So that's a super good deal to get that in the BOXY charm. So the next product that came in my BOXY charm was this Jouer, I'm just gonna say Jouer. This Jouer Cosmetics Essential Lip Enhancer. I loved this one. I have been using it every single day, and it's really glossy. It goes on like a lip gloss, but it doesn't give you that sticky, tacky feel. It's more like an oil. It says, infused with good for you, clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. And what I do is I brush my teeth and then I apply this in the morning, and it will literally last me until like the middle of the day. So I honestly really love this one. And lastly, I received this Beauty Creations Boudoir Shadows eyeshadow palette, and I'm actually going to be giving this palette away to one of you guys. Just wait until the end and I'll explain all the details and all you have to do to win it. So this one goes for $14. I'm not gonna be, well, I wasn't gonna be taking off the plastic. I'm not gonna be touching it or swatching it for you guys, especially because I am going to be giving it away. But this is what it looks like. It has some nudes, some shimmers, a black, and I feel like every eyeshadow palette should have a black. And I'm personally a huge fan of Beauty Creations eyeshadow palettes. They're so pigmented and they apply so easily and blend out really well. And this palette is just perfect for a smoky eye, whether you want to go super intense or keep it more on the natural side. You could also create a look like the one I did right here with this exact palette, and it's the perfect mix of matte and shimmer shades. Okay, so finally to the giveaway. I want to start doing a giveaway like every video, every other video. They're going to be super simple to enter, super easy to win. So for this video, I'm going to be giving away this Beauty Creations Boudoir Shadows palette, and I'm also going to be giving away 5 of my favorite brushes. You can't really see them too well because they are in the plastic and I don't want to take them out of the plastic. But these are basically all the brushes you need to achieve a perfect blended out eyeshadow look. And I know that's something that a lot of people struggle with, is because you don't have the right brushes. So I'm going to be providing you guys with all the brushes you need. I use these brushes on a daily basis. They are super good quality. All you have to do to win these items is be subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below literally anything that you want. And if you win, I will be replying to your comment letting you know that you won, and we will get in contact to figure out how to get these to you. So yeah, super simple. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and as always, head over to my Instagram to give me a follow and to keep up with my life a little bit more. I appreciate every single one of you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.